the last thing is directions. I'm sure they're pretty basic. Warnings in another language, and I'm not sure what this is. And they're headphones. It's not rocket science. We're gonna be doing a review of the JBL TUNE 500 BT. The starting price is roughly 50 bucks. So I thought this would be a cool tech review Monday. Let's just jump into it. Now we just got them up here on the charger, and we're gonna let them charge for a couple of minutes or so. We're gonna let them probably get a full battery. So it's pretty simple. These things are pretty cool and they're pretty affordable. That's what drew my attention to it. So looking at this box here, it says 5 minutes equals pretty much 1 hour of playtime and a 16-hour battery life. That's what really drew this attention to me, because my car ride to the gym is roughly 10 or 15 minutes or so. And if I'm charging my battery for the ride there, I wanted to be able to get that. So the car ride's 15 minutes. I want 3 hours of music time or headphone time. So what came in this box, very simple, nothing too fancy. And you can definitely tell they're only like 50 bucks. So you got the headphones, you got a charger, USB, and you got some directions and some warranty stuff. That's pretty much it. It didn't come with the case, it didn't come with anything like that, because that's not the idea of these. The idea of these are to have good headphones, affordable, and can pretty much do anything and not have to worry about breaking. So now we're gonna be talking about the specs of this. The specs are pretty much like, what are these, I guess, is what I would say what specs are. So it does have a 2-hour charge time, which has a 16-hour battery life on music or podcast or whatever you listen to on your headphones. They do not have the supercharging. Now what supercharging means is like 1 minute equals like 1 hour or something ridiculous like that. Some headphones actually have those, but these don't. As you can tell, they're 50 bucks. I'm gonna use these headphones for working out, running, pretty much everything that I'm gonna use my phone for, but I'm gonna use it at the gym, outside. I want these things to be able to fall off a mountainside and not break. I thought they were pretty cool looking, and for only 50 bucks, I said, what the hell, let's get them. All right, so we're gonna get these things connected to my phone and see how the audio sounds on it. So now we're gonna go to the Bluetooth setting, and then we're gonna make sure, whoops, we turn these on. All right, so it looks like we do got something on here, so now we're waiting for, all right, so that was pretty simple. All right, so now we're gonna get these bad dogs on. So all right, so they are definitely on ear headphones. All right, so now we're gonna go to Amazon Music. So I mean, they sound pretty good, actually. One thing that I like about these, I can't tell if I'm like talking really loud, is they do block out the external noise pretty good. Now, one thing that I'm just now noticing is they do have a little bit of a cheaper feel to it. You know, they're plastic, as you can tell, but they're almost like a matte finish plastic. So let's go back and see how good they sound for bass. Because they do say pure bass, 0 cables. So we're gonna go, instead of playing a country song like I'm listening to, we're gonna go play a hip hop song. So they do sound very good. If I was gonna review these things, they do have a little cheaper feel to it. They do have a lot of perks. Hands-free calling, very long battery life of 16 hours when it's completely filled up. Almost like speed charging, but it's not the super charging where it's not this super charging. It's just the regular charging that they have for it. 5 minutes equals 1 hour. They're good headphones. They're good headphones. They're exactly what I need. Something that can just kind of fold up like this, throw in a bag, and then I can take to the gym, take on a run, do some work with, connect to Bluetooth. Now, yes, I do wish that they did have maybe like a port that I could kind of connect these things to my microphone, but I do have studio headphones for those. So these are just more like workout and all around headphones. So if I was gonna give you guys a point scale on these, I would give these roughly a 4 out of 5 stars. The only downfall is, yes, it does have a little cheaper feel to it, but overall, these things are gonna be exactly what I need them for. Working out, working and doing everything I need to do with it. So if you guys want to get yourself a pair of these, that will be down below for you guys. That is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Tech Review Monday. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.